Okay, here we go. Yeah, we're in the backyard here, and what you're looking at now is a screen recording of the DJI Mini 3. It's the next day. It's a little snowy, and what I have today is I have the Galaxy S9 Plus on the N1 controller, and I found one thing that I don't like about the N1 controller, and I'll get the craft up, turn around, and have a look, and see where we're at here. We're 2.7K. That's good enough. As I say, DJI is a flying camera. Here it goes. It's up there, and it's going to say something like, maybe I have the volume turned down, but there we go. Let's turn it around. Oh, have a look over there. Have a look at that first. And we can go, well, I can't zoom in here, but yeah, that's they're playing around in the backyard again somewhere. Anyway, here we are. Let's have a look here. Okay, so let's have a look at that. Now, I wish I knew how to zoom. Can't zoom. Don't know. I know the function button on the left here, this function button here, brings it down, brings it up. Okay, so let's get a little closer and maybe the whirring of the if we go zoom in this way. No. 2 times. Oh, there we go. Okay, we can do that 2 times, 3 times. Look at that, eh? If I move over here a little bit, put that down a bit, there we go. That's better. Okay, let's start that video. Bingo. Okay, here we are, and I've got the picture here of the screen recorder because I'm using Do Recorder, and it has a built-in camera that can do front camera while I'm doing screen recording, which is pretty good, very good. Okay, but here we are in the middle, so let's not worry about that. Let's get rid of this little camera here. We can do that. Okay, we're going to look straight at the camera and have a little chat. So this is what I got here. What I don't like is, see my palm? Okay, the thumbstick should be here. They're an inch too low. There should be something padded here, an extension. I wonder if there's an extension, and it would be good because if my thumbs are here, okay, it would be great. Sorry, back to that thing. Okay, but it's not. It's not. They're here, so I have to kind of hook my fingers in here to try and get it properly. Okay, whereas on the DJI RC, you've got more room to play with, and you're kind of looking in the middle over your thumbs, right? I like the idea of having this on top, but yeah, I'd rather have this a little bit lower. Maybe there's a extension for that, because I really do like this. Especially I can use my phone, I can use my 10-inch tablet, I can use anything I want, and this tablet here is really good. Okay, and it's set to a point where you can really get high nits, okay, in bright sunlight, and it's very good. It's ambient, or whatever it's called. It adjusts it to light. Right now we don't have super brightness, so it's not too bad. So we're doing this. Let's me move back a little bit. We'll take it up. We'll turn around. Okay, we'll turn around this way. Okay, going around. Okay, now let's go into cine mode, and let's come back out. There we are, back out to 1. There we go. Okay, and let's just go up nice and slow in cine mode. Look at that, eh? Can we go a little closer? There we go. Look at that. Oh, we got some wind. Let's look around at some of these trees here. Yeah, we got a little bit of wind coming here. These tall trees here. There we go. These 2 trees here, they get bounced around quite a bit. Backing up a little bit. There we go. Okay, yeah. It's getting knocked around in the wind quite a bit. Okay. So what happens if we go up? Up a little bit. Bring that down. There we go. We're up to 30 meters. Over there. We go over the road. Over the road. We'll go over the road a little bit. We'll check out the road. And how do we know if we're over the road? Well, we have to hit that function button, don't we? We hit the function button. We're not even close to over the road. Where are we over the road? Just about now. Okay. And we'll bring that down again. Strong winds, yep. Well, let's have a look there. Want to hit that again? No, we got blown off course quite a bit. Blown off course quite a bit. So we're about over it now. Okay. And we'll come down a bit. There we go. And we'll go down here a bit. Come up a bit. Okay. We're up at 30 meters. It's about 90 feet. I don't think I got some trees 100 feet high. I don't think I have. Something happened there. I must still be connected to the internet. Go this way a bit. There we go. We're going to turn around and look, see how this... Okay, here we are. It's getting blown quite a bit. Okay, let's turn around a little bit. There we go. That's what we usually look at. Turning around, and we're going to come home again. It's getting blown quite a bit. Okay. Up a bit. Yeah, it's got to come up higher. There we go, 40 meters. I'm safe now because I just don't know the heights. But this is winter wonderland here, and we can fly over some trees here. Come down a bit. Fly over the trees. Four and a half. We'll fly over some more trees. Just hope I don't hit a super high tree. I know there's some high trees around here. Just have to be careful. There's tons of snow, but we got lots of snow. We got about probably 8 inches altogether in 2 big batches. There we go. And we should be coming across our house pretty soon. There we are. There we go. And around here. Yeah. Go the other way. A little dizzy, don't we? Okay. And we'll come back. And we'll come back over here. It's all pretty well the same. It's all pretty well just trees. Trees and trees and trees and trees. See if we can come down a little bit. All kinds of trees. These are planted trees. These are all pines. Spruce and pine. Guy comes in about once a year, once every other year, and takes about 500 or 600 trees, and there's still tons and tons of trees to be harvested. Well, there's the house, and let's bring it in. We're down about 65%. It's really good, and I don't know where the puppies went, so let's have a look. Should be coming. There it is. Oh, the puppies came back. Let's just have a quick boo when they come back. And they're coming down. Here we come. There we go. So let's see if I can round up the puppies. Round up the puppies. Chewy, come. There they come. Oh, I forgot I was in cine mode. They came right away. They're right behind me. Here we are. Now let's go back into normal mode. There they are. Somewhere. There they are. Gotcha. Haha. Okay, it's a little cold, but let's go around here and back to cine mode. I like that. Okay. There's the puppies. Wow, they're fast. Okay, enough of that. Let's come home. Okay. Let's come here and zoom in. And down here. Yes, I'm a little... Other way. There we go. Yes, I'm a little bit chilly. I'm a little bit cold. My hands are frozen. Don't know what to do about that. Maybe I should wear gloves next time. But anyway, that's it. DJI Mini 3. Down we go. There we go. And okay, DJI Mini 3 with a standard controller and a Galaxy, an old Galaxy phone. Works great. I've used this Galaxy S9 Plus for a couple of years now. It's been great. Works awesome. The DJI Mini 3 works awesome. I'm waiting for that next big thing. The next big revolution, if you want to call it, evolution of the drone, the camera drones, okay? It's like, I've said before, it's like cars. They're over 100 years old and they still have full rubber tires, an engine and a steering wheel. I mean, what's different? They've just changed the way they look. So they're more efficient. But where's the evolution? Where's the next evolution? Someone said in the last couple of generations, aviation has come to a stall as well. There's nothing really coming out that's different and new. When it does, maybe it's Roswell, maybe it's, you know, Area 51, maybe they've run out of alien tech, who knows. But DJI is on top of it no matter what it is. So anyway, there we go. Finished my ramble. That's it. I'm freezing, I'm cold, get the dogs in, and as always, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and if you feel like it, buy me a coffee. Okay? Take care. I'm going inside. Bye now.